Hello friends, hope all you are fine and doing well. Welcome to our channel UG Multech. In today's video, we are going to see two commands in Unigraphics NX. First will be our shell and another will be chamfer. We will discuss both of them one by one. As you know, we have earlier discussed the Boolean operation unite, subtract and intersect in our last video. So friend, those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe so you never miss an industrial insight, tips and tutorials. So friend, let's start our today's topic, chamfer and shell in Unigraphics NX. Okay, so we are going to start with the command shell. Okay, so I'm going to click the shell command, and what it do, actually it will remove the face and create a thickness around the body whatever you select. If you select 4 mm, it will create a 4 mm thickness. Just I want to show you. You see, I just want to apply. You can see a shell like structure is being created. Okay, and the boundary it has created of 4 mm each. Okay, of each side. If you want some alternative, okay, so just I want to cancel it and I am going to, okay, so I am going to create a alternative also. Okay, I am going to see this side, so I can take 14 mm. Okay, I just apply. You can have a different thickness also according to your need. Okay, if you want 2 mm thickness, you can make it 2 mm thickness. Okay, you can do different thickness in different side also. Just you have to add this one and you have to select the face. Okay, you can see it has been created. You can see different thickness of different border are being created. This is the command shell in Unigraphics NX. Okay friends. Friend, one more time I am going to show the shell in the top plate of one of our tools. Okay. Just you have to select this one. It will remove, and a thickness of I want 6 mm. It will create. See friends, it is been created. A shell like structure is been created. I hope you have understand about the shell command in Unigraphics NX. So friends, let's start our next topic, that is chamfer. Okay, chamfer in Unigraphics. Okay, first it is what saying, it is saying cross section. It will what will do, it will remove material from both the side with equal distance. It is saying symmetric. The first type is symmetric, second is asymmetric and offset and angle. We will discuss one by one. It is a distance of 2 mm. You see a chamfer is being created with 2 mm. You can see chamfer. A chamfer is being created. One more time I am going to show you. You see, I am going to take 4 mm. Now see, a 4 mm chamfer is being created. Okay. So the next one is asymmetric. Okay. In asymmetric, you can give 2 dimension. Okay. First, I want to give it a 6 and another one I want to give 2. Okay. You can see. You can see a chamfer is being created of 2 mm first and second is 6 mm. Okay. One more time we are going to see the asymmetric one. Okay. So first I am going to give 5 mm and another one I am going to give 3 mm. Okay. You can see, you can fill here also. This is the 3 mm and this one is 5 mm. See, a chamfer is being created asymmetric. Now we are going to see the third type of chamfer, that is a offset and an angle. Okay, I'm going to select this one. Okay, you can see this is asking for an offset as well as a angle. You can click here also. Okay, so I am going to give 2 mm an angle of 10 mm. See, it is been created. So friend, this is all about the chamfer. I hope you have understand about these two commands. Friend, this is all about our two commands, shell and chamfer in Unigraphics NX. There is a lot more content coming up on your way. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, comments. There we will see you in the next one. Bye.